In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a PayPal button that people can click, which means you can accept payments online, and that's coming up right now. Hey there, Mark Warnkin here. Thanks for tuning into my channel, the #1 place for business owners and brands to learn everything about social media that will actually help grow your business. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with all of my weekly videos, and don't forget to tick the little bell icon as well.
So here we are on PayPal. So the first thing we all need to do is create an account in PayPal. So we have two options. We have either to create a personal account or a business account. So depending on which country in the world you are, there'll be a whole heap of things that you need to provide: PayPal, bank account details, details about yourself. So I will let you all decide which is the best option for you. And once you have logged into your PayPal account, you will come to your home screen. Now we want to go up the top and we want to click on Tools, and then the drop-down button, we then want to click All Tools. Now this takes us to the PayPal Tools and Resources page. So we want to scroll down a little bit and we want to now look for PayPal button. So we want to click Open for Open PayPal buttons. So eventually we land on Create a PayPal button screen. So there's a whole heap of options here in regard to creating a PayPal button. But over here on the top right hand corner, this is the end result you want to get to. We're going to actually have a quick look at my currently saved PayPal button. So these are the PayPal buttons that I've currently got saved, all regarding my coaching and online programs that I run. It's really easy and simple to create more PayPal buttons, but this is the end result that you're going to get to. And if I was to click on over here, I can edit some of these buttons, I can view the code, I can create a similar button, I can delete the button, etc., etc. But that's the end result, that's the end page that you want to get to. But we're going to click on Buy Now. We want to create a PayPal button. So the end result is you have a clickable link that people can click. It will take them to PayPal and you can accept a payment online. The vast majority of business owners and brands that I see, they make it difficult to accept payments online. It's one of the simplest ways we can all start taking payments online is by having a PayPal button. So let's click Buy Now. And here we go, create a PayPal button. So we can choose the button type. What do we want it to say? Shopping cart, buy now, donation, subscription, automatic billing. Let's make it buy now. The item name. Now this is where you get to name, and it's just as a reference so you know what the button is all about. So you would name it your product or service. For me, it might be like a one-to-one coaching session, YouTube business coaching session, that type of thing. So you get to name your button. Now I've named it Test a Button for this video. You can put an item code there as just an extra line of reference. I never do that. So the next one is we need to select the currency. For most of the time for me, it's in Aussie dollars, but I do select US dollars as well. Let's create a button for 97 Australian dollars. Now, we do have a few extra options. You can create a drop-down menu for price options. And I think it'll be pretty self-explanatory once people see this small, medium, large type thing where you have drop downs. Equally, another drop down for sizing. I think this one is for as well, small, medium, large. So it does give you the variations to create as well, but we're going to make this as simple as possible. The idea of this video is to create a clickable button that you can share on all of your social media. So when people click the button, it'll go to PayPal and you can start accepting, like in this example, $97 Aussie for your product or service. That's pretty much all we need. It's the bare bones, it's the bare basics. We're going to create a button, and there we go. There we have it. Now, you might be thinking, Mark, it all looks very confusing. Where is my button? What do I do? So we now have two options here. This is the code that you would give to your website person, and your website person would know what to do with this. They would embed this code on your website, and once they do that, this button here will pop up. The Buy Now button becomes a clickable button. But we're just going to grab the email. So most of us have probably seen a clickable PayPal link like this. So this is the link. This is the clickable link that you can now start posting into your social medias online presence, that whenever people click on this, it'll take them to your PayPal shopping cart. Now, you can actually tidy this link up because it is an ugly link. Look at it. www.paypal.com, and then it's got all this ugly code. I will show you a little ninja tip that you can actually tidy up on how to tidy up this code, but effectively this is the now code that you would copy and save somewhere. You would save it on your computer, save it on your phone somewhere. That becomes the clickable link, and let me show you actually how that works in real life. So I've copied that link to a Word document. So let me now just copy and paste this into a brand new web browser page, and it will take us to the PayPal checkout page for someone to accept payment. So if someone was to click on that link, it'll take them to PayPal. They either log in as their PayPal account, or down the bottom here, you can just click the link here that says pay with a card. So let's click the link here, and it takes them to the checkout page here on PayPal. People then get the opportunity to log into their PayPal account, or if they don't have a PayPal account, they just add their credit card details, and that basically ends the transaction. They buy your product or services, PayPal facilitate taking of the money, and the money will then end up in your bank account. So that's how simple it was to create that PayPal link. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining, and helpful. And I've now opened up your eyes to the world of accepting payments online, and your business will now grow and go to the next level. As always, if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're watching and following it on LinkedIn or Facebook, connect, like me, and follow me across all the other social media sites. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123, signing off. I look forward to seeing you again in another one of my videos real soon.